My name is Benjamin Z. Meller. Benjamin Z. Meller. And today I'm going to be answering the question. I have 500,000 in cash and stocks and 500,000 in retirement funds. How should I invest my money? I'm 45 and want to leave the rat race ASAP. Well, good deal. Good. That's good. So you've got 500,000 in stocks, 500,000 in retirement funds. You want to get out of the rat race as soon as possible. Where should you invest? Great question. Good question. Well, the answer is it is nice that you are thinking outside of the stock market. Congratulations. So many investors meekly put on blinders where they just march forward, endlessly chasing the carrot of higher returns while paying broker fees in the stock market. It is smart to look outside the stock market for opportunities. At 45, you are well positioned to take some action. I will introduce you to something you are not currently considering, and it will be the best way to accomplish your goals of getting out of the rat race early. The hidden jewel or diamond that many investors miss is being a limited partner in a large apartment complex community. And by large, I mean more than 100 units. For example, you find an experienced apartment complex community investor that is buying a $30 million apartment complex and has a contract to purchase already signed. This investor already will have been to the bank and obtained a term sheet for a $20 million loan or a commitment for a $20 million loan, but he still needs the down payment money and capex money. He still has to put in $10 million in order to get the $20 million loan. So you would invest 100,000 minimum typically to as much as $1 million plus. The beauty of this is once you invest, you don't have to do anything, and typically in 3 to 7 years you get your money doubled. During the holding period, you also typically get distributions depending on how the deal is structured. It is much easier than getting on the front line with tenants and toy tenants. Most people are not aware this option exists of investing in a large multifamily apartment community. It also would be a good idea to split your investment into 2 or 3 different apartment investment syndications that you are buying large multifamily to provide some diversification. Complex investor that is buying a large multifamily. These sorts of investors already have a base of investors they work with often for years. They've been working with the same investor base. So you want to find them and approach them in the right way, where you let them know you like what their complexes and you hope on their next deal they'll let you invest. You got to approach them in a good way because these guys, frankly, they don't need your 100,000. They already have a bunch of other investors that they've been working with for years that trust them. So you want to approach, once you get where they let you invest in the first deal, then you can just over and over again keep investing in each new deal that they come out with. If you do not know such a person where you've got their cell phone number, their email address, that's a really serious, successful, experienced by like 10 or 20 years in the business of multifamily, go ahead and contact me at benjaminzmeller.com. Go to the contact page and fill out the form there. Let us know you're interested in multifamily. And then, we can develop a business relationship. And after a certain amount of time passes, I'll be able to present some opportunities to you and also make some introductions for you. That's benjaminzmeller.com, contact form there. I hope that helps, and good luck with your investing.